This is the material recovery facility. We take the contents of your recycling bins and sort them so that they can be sent for recycling into new products. Recycling bin waste comes in and is unloaded into the tipping hall. The waste then proceeds along conveyor belts for processing. Sometimes by hand, sometimes mechanically. The first job is to remove items that should not have been in the recycling bins, as these can cause damage to the machinery. Nappies should go in general rubbish. Clothes and other textiles should go to charity shops or textile banks. While large plastic sheets and heavy metal items should go to household recycling centres. Recycling covered in food messes up the rest of the load and could reduce the value. Remember to wash and squash food and drinks containers before putting them in the bin. The waste is now ready to be sorted into different types. This machine separates the glass. This one removes all the corrugated cardboard items. Then optical sorters separate the plastic from the paper. The next stage removes newspapers, magazines and pamphlets. Any incorrect items which made it through the sorting are then removed. Only plastic, metal and some mixed paper is now left to sort. A ballistic separator splits it into light and heavy materials. The heavy material is mainly metals and drinks cartons. A magnetic separator pulls out the ferrous metals such as food cans.
Goodbye, darling. Bye, dear.
And then an eddy current separator removes the non-ferrous metals such as aluminium cans, aerosols and cartons. The cartons are then separated by hand. All remaining material goes through a hand-picking cabin where it's separated for recycling. Meanwhile, the light fraction, which is mainly composed of plastic, goes through a series of clever separators which use infrared light to tell different plastics apart. Then targeted air jets blow each of them into different conveyors. The MRF can separate out milk containers, clear plastic bottles, coloured plastic bottles, pots, tubs, trays and plastic film. Once again, the waste is hand-sorted to spot any incorrect items. All the sorted waste ends up in storage skips, where it is compressed into bales, ready to be loaded onto trucks and sent to be recycled.
I'll be back.
Paper, cardboard and glass can be recycled into new paper, cardboard and glass products. Plastics go on to form new packaging, bottles, clothes, pipes and outdoor furniture. While metals may be anything from new food cans to parts for cars and aeroplanes. The more we recycle, the more money and resources we save.